First, I want to thank my subscribers and regular viewers. I appreciate all your support on my channel and welcome back. If it's your first time here, thank you for tuning in. Today I'll be doing an unboxing review showcasing the Aosu Video Doorbell Pro and Wi-Fi Homebase. No contract needed. Let's get started. These are the features that comes with the Aosu Video Doorbell app. You have your 2K HD video. You have your motion detection. It's 100% wire-free. Live view and recording history. Real-time notification. Multi-user access. Quick replies. Smart motion alerts. Two-way talk. 166 wide view angle. 4.3 aspect ratio. Real-time notifications. Extended coverage for doorbell. IP66 certified weatherproof. Local and cloud storage. Direct video calling. Quick reply. 120-day battery life. And 33 feet HD night vision. Now let's see what's in the box. You have your 2K video doorbell. You have your mounting bracket, your screw hole positioning card, your Wi-Fi home base, your doorbell detaching pin that also has the Aosu engraved in it, your USB charging cable, your screw hole pack. They also give you a security sticker you can place on your door or in your window. A quick start guide. The doorbell power pin. And a Phillips screwdriver. That also has the name Aosu engraved in it. This is everything that's included in the box. How to connect the Aosu with your doorbell camera. First, go to your Google Play Store and download the app. Then you will need to log in using your existing Google account, or you can create a new one for your Video Doorbell Pro. Next, select the model camera you have. I have the Video Doorbell Pro. Next, start your home base. It's plugged into a wall outlet. Keep antennas upright. You will see a steady green light. After you have it in the right position, press the continue button. Next, start your doorbell. Press the sync button located on the back side of your doorbell for about 3 seconds. Then a black light will start to flash. Press continue. To connect your device, press the sync button located on the home base for about 3 seconds until you hear a sound play and a green light will start flashing. Press continue. Now choose your Wi-Fi network you would like to use for your video doorbell camera. Hit continue. Next, scan the QR code using your camera unit, scanning 46 inches away from your phone. Once you hear the beep, hit I heard the beep sound. Then the Homebase and router will connect. It shouldn't take more than a few minutes to connect. Once it's connected successfully, press the continue button. You can allow the amp to make and manage phone calls so you can communicate using this amp. You can also allow this amp to access photos, media files, and of course the video doorbell and its functions and settings. You have your settings. You have your doorbell circular light. When someone is approaching, you have your doorbell anti-theft warning. In case someone is trying to steal or tamper with your doorbell, you'll be notified. You have your motion detection, the motion sensitivity. You can have it on minima or max. You have your private settings, which is audio and streaming and recording. You have your private zones to restrict video coverage to protect your neighbor's privacy. You have your video quality, the 2K mode, high definition, your smooth mode. You have your night vision mode, which is automatic switch based on ambient light level. You have your always off lens. You have your WDR enabled. If someone is approaching and you can't see them clearly, you can turn that on. You have your chime setting, your doorbell and Homebase each have 3 different sounds. This is your doorbell, one of them. This is one of your Homebases. You have your notification, your push notification, snooze, immediate mode, intelligent mode, ring, low power, anti-theft warning, stain, and passing. You can control all those settings. About device, you can name your doorbell. You have a serial number for your doorbell. Storage card space, let you know how much space you have used or what you have left. Format memory card. Video cloud storage, you can store all your videos and be able to look at them later. You can share your device with other people. They can view your live videos, watch your recorded videos, and receive push notifications. This device also works with Amazon and Google. I'm using a new version. If you lose connection with your Wi-Fi, you can reconnect. Just follow the directions. I haven't had that problem. And you can also remove devices. You can delete all cloud and local videos. Your functions for your Aosu Doorbell Pro.
Hey, let's go. Freedom. Freedom. What?
I get a lot of viewers that watch my porch power videos asking if I sell home security systems. So if you are interested in purchasing one of these doorbell systems, you can scroll below this video in the description column to order one. It will also be a discount code for you to use when ordering one. It only costs between $150 and $200. That's without using the discount code. I think it's worth the price. I would recommend this to anyone. But let me know in the comments what you think about this video doorbell system. What I like about this video doorbell system, the Wi-Fi connection is good. I haven't lost connection yet. The microphone works great. I can hear what the other person is saying clearly. I can actually hear things far away. The motion detection works really good and how I'm able to turn it up and down. The setup is easy. You don't have to worry about any wiring at all, and there's no hidden fees to use this video doorbell system. I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you watching it to the end. I hope you will consider purchasing a Video Doorbell Pro. It's really nothing like having a peace of mind knowing you have some kind of security for you and your loved ones. Especially if you're away from your home a lot, you'll be able to monitor what's going on at home when you're not there. I want to thank you again for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and leave a comment. Until next time, I'm out.